Right, last reading lesson of the week. It's our extend and deepen. So it is, remember, extend and deepen. You've got your text here. So if you've not read the text, pause the video and read the text. I'm not going to read this one with you, remember. That's the point of extend and deepen. So have a read of the text, see what you understand, see what you take in, and then press play again, and we'll have a look at the answers. So you've got this page, it's over 2 pages, look, so you've got kind of four columns to read here. Okay, really interesting text as well. Okay, The Star Spun Web, I believe it's called, by Siobhan O'Hara, something like that. Siobhan O'Hart, that's it. So press play when you've read the text. Okay, you've read the text. So I'm just going to go straight into the questions here. From the text, what might she'll only be 2 worlds away? Will it be enough mean? So you need to find where it is. I believe it's around here somewhere. Here it is. So one thought was urgent that it drowned out the others. She'll only be 2 worlds away. Will it be enough? So, I mean, you don't need to read the rest of it to have an inference on this. 2 worlds away. Well, worlds away is like places, isn't it? So two worlds away, it's a strange phrase, isn't it? Will it be enough means, I'm going to say, is it far enough? Is that far enough away? Because if you've read this, the bloke's clearly running from somebody. She'll only be 2 worlds away. I think that's like almost like universes. So is it far enough away, these 2 worlds, these 2 universes? Is it far enough in space or in time that she's away? But a strange phrase. I think maybe you can only answer that if you read the whole text. Maybe on its own, maybe it's too tricky. Maybe you do need the whole text. Why do you think he sent his daughter away and sacrificed himself? I mean, again, open to a lot of plausible answers here. I think if you use any evidence from the text, I don't think you can be wrong with this. You've got to think, why would he send his daughter away and not just go with her? So there's lots of plausible ones there, and the reason I'm not going to give one answer is because obviously plausible inference, there can be a variety. So if you put I think this and you find a bit in the text as to why, or based on what you've read, why is he doing it, then you're probably on the right lines. Why might the group of people have wanted to kill his whole family? Yeah. Again, he's clearly got something. I don't want to say magical, but he's clearly got some sort of device, hasn't he? That means that they can be that you can travel or you can move. So it could be that they want that device. It could be that maybe they wanted the baby. Maybe they wanted the baby for something. If you watch lots of superhero things, maybe the baby's got powers. I don't know. I apologise for this video. This is a hard one to give answers to because it's plausible. You may have your own ideas. This might be something you want to talk with people at home with when they've got a spare 5 minutes. Because inference and deduction is all about discussions. And why do you think that? Well, I think this. What do you think? And maybe it's worth having a chat with people at home. How do you think the next chapter will start? When it finishes about the baby vanished without a trace, remembering being 2 worlds away, I think the next chapter might start with this baby being found. It might start, I'm thinking if it's like a film, it might start where we meet a girl and it's very clearly made out that that's the baby, just like maybe she's 10 or something now. But I think we go straight to where this baby is, or this young girl. Maybe it's into the future a little bit, and she's 10, 12, and we see her straight away. There's then a prove it, which is another, again, lots of plausible things here. I predict that the child will have a rare power or an ability. I might be completely wrong. It might be that the device that her dad uses is the main thing in this story. But I like superhero films. I'm thinking she's got a rare power or ability, which is why her dad's sent her to another world, a parallel world, or the future, or something like that. I mean, you can agree or disagree, but you've got to put why. So if you agree with me, find some evidence. If you disagree, what is it you think, and give me some evidence, okay? Tricky one today. It wasn't just a simple, here's the answer, okay? So do try and have a little chat with anybody at home, just for 5 minutes, about what you think and what they might think, okay? And that'll be really helpful. But good, fantastic, well done, guys.